Hi guys, wait. I need to take a deep breath real quick. Okay, this is the slime what we made. It's just ew, gross. Hey guys, it's me Gwen. This is my first one. Yeah. Well, first, you need something to mix in. I'm going to put the ingredients in. And we have only three ingredients. And you need something to mix in. And it'll turn into this slime stick. It's not even sticky. It's really noisy. Finally, Sonia, man. Like, it's been raining for a long time. Like, for days since it was raining in Buffalo. And I live in 152 First Road, so I might sell slime for $5 or $1. So let's get started. First, you need Suave Kids 1-2 shampoo and conditioner. I'll leave it there for a little bit. Okay. See? And you need the cocoa one. You could use any kind that is wet. So let's get started. Okay. More closer. See how much amount we want. Well, maybe. And it's fun playing with this one. Well, add the glue. Add more glue as the Swell Kids, not too much. Add many as you can, if you want a lot. If you have glue, amaryllis glue, I don't know how to spell it. Well, yeah. It's the white kind. You could use the white kind or the clear glue. How much amount? And you need water. Add a little bit so it can get liquid. Make sure it's not sticky. Okay, almost there. Just like nothing. There's no such borax. And then next up, add borax. So I just got done with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour some in here. Okay, that's much. And like, you start slowly as you could. This it'll turn into. Gosh, sister. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. I got it. Sorry. My little sister. Yes. Okay. Here is it.
Hi, Juju. Finally.
My nickname is Joy. So I'm in Bethel, Alaska. If you guys are in Bethel, Alaska, I live by Quick Stop.
I know, yeah.
Okay.